Good evening, everybody. I'm parked at a Sheetz. I don't like parking at truck stops or some rest areas are too noisy. Now I'm going to be making a bagel here in my toaster oven. There you can see my refrigerator set up in the truck. I like to get everything ready. On the side there, that's my toaster oven. And I cut the bagel in half with a sharp knife. You'll see I can't believe it's not butter. And I have the bagel set up as follows. And there's your temperature settings on the Black & Decker toaster oven. I'm going to keep an eye on it to make sure they're perfect. I have 2 or 3 other bagels on the left side there for tomorrow. You'll notice I have the bagels set up as follows. I have just enough butter to cover the one bagel. So I'm keeping an eye on things. I took one bagel out at a time, one half out at a time, buttered them up, put my toaster oven back in place, and please follow me on TikTok and YouTube. Have a great night.